Burning question in the minds of all my lovely CMA student is whether the CMA exams are going to be online or offline. For the foundation, let me tell you, they are going to continue with the online exams only. Okay, the same pattern of the MCQs which have been continued in the foundation, it is not going to be done away with. For the CMA inter and CMA final, although institute stand earlier was that the online exams will continue, the institute stand earlier was that, but let me tell you, the institute is reconsidering its stand for the CMA inter and final level, and they are going to have a high level meeting again only for this particular issue, that how should the further CMA exams of inter and final be conducted. So it's a good news that the institute is taking the CMA inter and final exams so much seriously, and it is reconsidering all the options that it has. But let me tell you, because of the recent surge in the COVID cases, it's very difficult again. It's very difficult again because the second wave is in front of all of us, and the recent surge is phenomenal. Baap re baap. Approximately 1 lakh cases are coming every day, or more than that perhaps. So the institute is also in a very tight position, but yes, institute is also concerned about the mode of exam. My advice will be that home-based exams, shouldn't be there, because everything is open, everything is there. So home-based exams shouldn't be there. Center-based exams should be there. This is my personal opinion. I may be right, I may be wrong, but this is my personal opinion, what I feel, that I have shared with you. And now it is up to the institute to decide whether the exams will be home-based or center-based or both, or online or offline. Okay. But one thing is sure, that institute, they have conveyed me, the office bearers have talked to me and they have conveyed me. I have conversated with them, and whatever conversation I had with them, they are considering this issue very, very seriously, and a high level meeting they are going to arrange and decide on this situation very soon. But one thing is sure, that you should not take advantage of this. You should not bother about the mode of exam. You just keep on studying. The only factor that is controllable in your hand is to study. So why are you not studying? Do not be a loser and say that no, unless and until I know the mode of exam, I am not going to study. Whether it is online mode or offline mode, the syllabus is same, and the rule to pass is same. You have to study. So please, with folded hands, I request you to study. And it is not in my hand that I will announce. Had it been in my hand, I would have come out with the notification today, but it's not in my hand. So you need to study. Whatever was there in my hand, I have already done. Now it's my time to guide you, that you will have to study, and it's your time to follow the guidance and just study. Follow the amazing playlist of CMA Inter and CMA Final that I have created separately, and CMA Foundation. All the levels I have created separate playlists. Please follow the playlist. You will find amazing revision marathons. You will find amazing revision videos and the conceptual chapters, which most of the students face difficulty in. I have covered all those conceptual chapters. They are available in the playlist. Please follow those. That's it from my side. So stop bothering yourself and stop bothering me also whether the mode of exam will be online, offline, online, offline. Arey bhai, the only thing that you can do is study. Is the syllabus going to change? Answer is no. So please study na. Study properly. As an elder brother, I have guided you that you have to study. If I have said something wrong, I am sorry, but please study.